Welcome to Mobile Studios. This channel is all about modifying your cars, get your Starlights, your ambient lights, all of that. Today we're starting off with the celebrity himself, Driva Dave with his X3M. We're shooting off to Birmingham from London and we're making our way there now, so we'll keep you updated with the journey. So guys, we're on our way from our hotel now. We've just hit the roads. We're exactly 28 minutes from the location of where Driva Dave's Bmw X3 competition is. We're gonna flood this roof out completely with 550 stars. And yeah, just stay tuned for the results. You won't be disappointed. So we've just arrived at the location. As you can see, Driva Dave's beautiful X3M. We're here to kill it, smash it. We're gonna flood his ceiling for him, make sure it's gassed. Yo guys, so we just finished up with Driva Dave himself with his beautiful X3M. We're putting 550 stars for him, as well as free shooting stars. It's now 2 AM, the grind don't stop. What do you think of our service?
Can't lie, late night graft, you get me? Never mind me talking about it, just let the job talk for itself, you get me?
Let's talk more action, yeah?
Yeah, come on.
So guys, if you liked our work, please make sure you DM us or contact us via WhatsApp. Dave, I'll see you in a bit, brother. Take it easy, man. It's nice working with you. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. It was the first one from us. We got many more coming. All I'm saying is stay tuned. So make sure you subscribe. Just a sneak peek, wait till the 28th.